Share with us, no? Ano to, very, talagang ano lang to, may hall lang tayo, may gantong sound system, but hopefully you enjoy the show, ha? You enjoy the show. This is for everyone. Okay? So the band is here, some of the band members will set up now. Okay. So po, pakilala ko lang, ito po si Loisy. So po, kung nakapanood niyo po yung mga TikTok videos, reels ng concert, malupit po siya mag-solo. Ayan po, pati si Zildjan. So sila po, guitarist of King. Some team members are here also, band members, si Brian. Si Brian po ang drummer of King, si Errol, ang keyboardist of King. They're here, kaso wala po kaming set up na drums and keys, so dahil na na, everyone. Right. So wala pa si Dana and the band members, sila na po bahala sa inyo. Have fun, enjoy the afternoon. Any words, Tim?
Okay, first of all, gusto ko po mag-sorry sa nangyari. Pero gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo na huwag niyo akong ituring na performer ngayong gabi. Ngayong hapon, huwag niyo akong ituring na performer. Huwag niyo akong ituring yung sarili na audience. Ngayong hapon, magtutropa tayo dito at magja-jamming tayo ng gabi. Okay. No mics, no everything. No, just the guitar and us. Let the music lead.